study about a new chapter, multiplication. In this chapter we have to learn about basis of multiplication, terms involved in multiplication, multiplication on a number line, properties of multiplication, writing multiplication and real life problems. Let us see one by one. First, basis of multiplication. Dear children, what do you see? Can you see some pictures? These pictures are arranged in two groups. These pictures are arranged in two groups. In A group, how many flowers you can see? Yes, 3 flowers. Two groups of 3 flowers. That is 3 plus 3, which is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Let us see one more example. What do you see in this? Yes, we can see some leaves. How many sets of leaves you can see? Yes, it is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sets of 2 leaves each. That is 2 is being added 7 times. That is 7 into 2, which is equal to 14. Here 14 is the product of 14 is the product of 7 and 2. So from this we have understood that multiplication is repeated addition. So what is multiplication, children? Multiplication is repeated addition. We have to add the same number repeatedly certain number of times. That is multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. So what is multiplication? Multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Summary. Repeated addition of the same number is called multiplication. Example, 2 groups of 5 pencils equals 5 plus 5 pencils. 5 plus 5 pencils means 10 pencils. Then we can write it as 2 into 5. Now let us consider some examples. Children, let us see some more examples. Example 1. Match the addition and the multiplication facts with pictures. So first one, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times 2 is repeated? 2 is repeated 4 times. That is 4 into 2. 4 into 2, its picture is first one. That 2 circles plus 2 circles plus 2 circles plus 2 circles. That is 4 times 2 circles each. So its picture 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 times 2 is like this. And next one, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is also 4 times, but 3 is repeated, so it is 4 into 3, and its picture is this one. Let us see multiplication on a number line. This is a number line. Numbers are marked from 0 to 20, and in this 2 steps are genuine. One step is from 0 to 2, then second step is from 2 to 4, third step is from 4 to 6, fourth step is from 6 to 8, and so on till 20. So 10 steps are taken with 2 units, that is 10 into 2. So 2 units plus 2 units plus 2 units plus 2 units, 10 times 2 units is 10 into 2 is 20. And if you jump with 3 steps, you will be reaching up to 30 in this manner, and in that case you have to write a multiplication fact 10 into 3. If you jump 3 steps at a time till 30, it will be 10 into 3. Let us see some more examples of multiplication on a number line. First example, 2 into 4. 2 into 4, what is the meaning of 2 into 4? 4 is added 2 times. 4 is added 2 times. That is, at a stretch you have to jump 4 units. So first jump of 4 units, second jump of 4 units. So 2 jumps of 4 units, that is 2 into 4, the product is 8. Consider the second example, 3 into 5. 3 into 5 means you have to jump 3 times with 5 units. With 5 units. 5 units means the first jump is from 0 to 5. Then 5 to, you count 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we will reach at 10. We will reach here. So jump up to there. Then again 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units means you have to jump up to 50. So 3 jumps are completed. That is 3 into 5, which is equal to 15. Next, let us see properties of multiplication. Order in multiplication. Order in multiplication means you have to multiply 2 numbers in any order. Any order, we will see an example with pictures. So 2 flowers are there in a row and 3 such rows are there. So 3 rows of 2 flowers, it is 3 into 2. The total number of flowers is 6. And here if you see, you can see 3 flowers in a row and 2 rows of such flowers, that is 2 into 3. Whatever be the arrangement, the total number of flowers remain same. Total number of flowers remain same. That is here also. So that is 3 into 2 equals 6. 3 into 2 equals 6 and 2 into 3 equals 6. So this we can conclude in this way. When you multiply 2 numbers, the answer remains same even if their order is changed. In other way, numbers can be multiplied in any order. The order does not affect the product. Next property is multiplying by 0. So what do you see? You can see some flower vases. Are they empty? Yes, they are empty. That means no flowers are in each flower vase. No flowers with 3 flowers vases, you can write it as 3 into 0. Flowers, that is 3 into 0. In all you cannot see no flowers, so 3 into 0 is 0. This is an important property. So what will be 5 into 0? 5 into 0 is 0. Even if you keep 5 flower vases without any flowers, the total flowers will be 0.